Think your dream cruise is immune to disaster? Think again. Hidden traps in your cabin can turn paradise into a pricey nightmare, from sneaky charges to safety blunders that could get you kicked off the ship. Ready to dodge vacation-wrecking mistakes and cruise like a pro? In this video, we will discuss 10 critical errors that passengers make, risking hundreds in fines, ejection, or worse. Stick around for number 1. It's a safety slip-up that could delay the entire ship and ruin everyone's day. Let's dive in and keep your trip smooth sailing with these essential tips. 10. Using the minibar without checking prices. That chilled soda or bag of chips in your cabin's minibar looks like a quick fix for a craving, but it's a financial trap designed to drain your wallet. Ever grabbed a $3 soda only to see a $7.50 charge on your final bill? Even if you have an unlimited drink package, minibar items are never included. And cruise lines bank on your impulses, raking in an average of $25,000 per cruise in profits. A single bottle of water can cost $5, and mindless snacking can lead to $100 plus surprises at checkout. To outsmart this, order drinks from the ship's bars, included in packages, bring non-perishable snacks from shore, or use free room service for late-night munchies. Always check the minibar price list on the cabin menu before indulging. Prices are often double what you'd pay elsewhere on the ship. This simple habit saves your budget for shore excursions, spa treatments, or that perfect souvenir, keeping your vacation financially stress-free and full of fun. 9. Smoking in the cabin or on the balcony. Lighting up a cigarette or vape in your cabin or balcony isn't just against the rules. It's a one-way ticket off the ship with a hefty fine. Think you can sneak a quick puff undetected? Think again. In 2023, Carnival ejected 147 passengers for smoking, offering no warnings or second chances. You'll face a minimum $250 fine, and triggering the hypersensitive smoke detectors, which catch vapes too, adds $500 to the bill. A single cigarette sparked a fire on the Star Princess, damaging 14 cabins, so cruise lines use thermal cameras and advanced sensors to enforce this rule. Stick to designated open-deck smoking areas, checking times since some ships ban smoking after midnight, and note that newer vessels may have no smoking zones at all. Respecting this rule keeps you on board, saves your wallet, and ensures your cabin stays fire-free, letting you enjoy your cruise without a costly exit at the next port. 8. Stealing towels or robes. Those plush robes and fluffy towels seem like the ultimate cruise souvenirs, but taking them will hit you with brutal charges. Ever thought a pool towel could cost you $45? Cruise lines embed RFID chips in linens, and hidden scanners at ship exits catch thieves, triggering alarms as you disembark. A cotton robe costs $95, Amazon $25, a large towel $65, and even pool towels run $45. You'll face steep fees and public embarrassment. Instead, bring your own beach towels, take free hand towels or toiletries, or ask the front desk to purchase a robe legally, sometimes at a discount. This avoids surprise charges, keeps your steward out of hot water with their supervisor, and lets you enjoy souvenirs without the sting of a massive bill, ensuring a guilt-free vacation. 7. Sticking things on cabin walls. Hanging birthday decorations or family photos with tape or sticky hooks seems harmless, but it's a costly mistake that could eat your entire security deposit. Ever seen a $1,200 repair bill for a few strips of tape? Cruise ship walls use special anti-rust paint, and sticky residue requires expensive sanding or repainting. Charges start at $75 for tape marks, $150 for unauthorized hooks, and up to $500 for damaged wood panels or mirrors. A Disney cruise family paid $1,200 for tape-damaged birthday decor, and kids drawing on walls with pencils triggers automatic cleaning fees. Use magnets on metal walls, place photos on dressers, or ask about approved decoration kits. Packing drawing books for kids prevents accidental damage. This keeps your deposit intact, your cabin pristine, and your steward's stress levels low, ensuring a hassle-free cruise experience. 6. Washing clothes in the sink. Rinsing a swimsuit or socks in your cabin sink might seem convenient, but it's a plumbing disaster waiting to happen. Ever caused a flood with a single piece of clothing? Cruise ship drains are a quarter the size of home drains, and laundry soap creates foam that clogs systems, potentially flooding multiple cabins. Fibers from clothes build up, making repairs costly, sometimes thousands, and you'll be billed for the damage. Use the ship's laundry service, pricey but safe, or pack enough clothes to skip washing altogether. Planning ahead prevents costly clogs, keeps your neighbor's cabins dry, and saves you from a soggy, expensive catastrophe, letting you focus on enjoying your vacation. 5. Opening the main door and balcony door simultaneously. Opening both your cabin and balcony doors at once might seem like a way to catch a breeze, but it's a dangerous error that can turn your cabin into a wind tunnel. Ever felt suction strong enough to send your passport flying into the ocean? The ship's sensitive air pressure system creates a vacuum effect, risking flying objects, slammed doors, or even broken fingers. On the Norwegian breakaway, a passenger lost their wallet this way. Carnival Vista reported 7 incidents in 2023. Always close one door before opening the other, secure papers away from the balcony, and ensure everyone in your group knows this rule. This keeps your belongings safe, your body bruise-free, and your cabin calm, ensuring a drama-free cruise. 4. Leaning on the balcony railing. Leaning on your balcony railing for a selfie or to feel the sea breeze feels exhilarating, but it's a deadly risk. Ever thought a railing could fail under your weight? At just 3 feet high, railings aren't built to hold you, and winds up to 31 miles per hour can throw you off balance. In 2019, a Carnival Glory passenger died falling from their balcony during a selfie attempt. Alcohol worsens the danger. Most accidents involve drinking. Take photos from inside with the balcony door open. Choose a balcony-free cabin for kids, or avoid drinking near the edge. This ensures you enjoy the ocean view safely, stay on the ship, and avoid becoming a tragic headline, keeping your cruise memorable for the right reasons. 3. Leaving the Do Not Disturb sign on all day. That Do Not Disturb sign seems like a privacy protector, but leaving it up all day confuses your steward and raises security concerns. Ever returned to an unmade bed and wondered why? Stewards can't enter with the sign up, even if you're out, due to strict privacy rules. After 24 hours, security may enter, issuing warnings or requiring a meeting with the security officer. Remove the sign daily or notify the front desk for extended privacy needs. This ensures your cabin gets cleaned, avoids unnecessary security checks, and keeps your steward's schedule on track, making everyone's day smoother and your cabin spotless. 2. Using candles or incense. A candlelit dinner or calming incense sounds romantic, but it's a fire hazard with severe consequences. Ever triggered a ship-wide evacuation with a single spark? Smoke detectors, 10 times more sensitive than hotel ones, catch even incense, as seen in a 2022 MSC Grandiosa incident that caused a massive evacuation. Fines start at $500, and you risk ejection or a lifetime ban from lines like Celebrity or Holland America. Use battery-operated candles, USB aromatherapy lamps, or heat-free diffusers, often sold on board. This keeps your cabin safe, avoids crippling fines, and prevents a vacation-ending scare, letting you enjoy the ambiance without the alarms. 1. Ignoring the safety drill. Skipping the mandatory safety drill might seem like a time saver, but it's the biggest mistake you can make, risking fines and ship-wide delays. Ever caused a 2-hour delay because you skipped a drill? In 2019, the Carnival Horizon lost 2 hours searching for 23 passengers who didn't attend. International law mandates 100% participation, as skippers don't know lifeboat locations or equipment use, endangering everyone in a real emergency. Fines range from $100 to $500, and you could be ejected at the next port. Arrive 10 minutes early, memorize your emergency station on your cruise card, and pay attention to instructions. This ensures a safe cruise, avoids penalties, and prevents you from being the passenger who costs everyone a port day, keeping the ship on schedule and your vacation on track. There you have it. Many first-time cruisers think the drill is boring or unnecessary, but it's actually one of the most important parts of the trip. Missing it doesn't just affect you, it puts the whole ship at risk in case of an accident. Crew members rely on passengers knowing what to do, so panic doesn't spread if something goes wrong. Even if you've cruised before, every ship is different, so the instructions always matter. A few minutes of focus during the drill can save hours of chaos later. 10 cruise mistakes that could derail your vacation and how to avoid them. Dodge these traps to save money, stay safe, and make your trip unforgettable for all the right reasons. Vacations are meant to be fun, and avoiding these mistakes makes the whole experience smoother for you and everyone else on board. A little preparation before your trip can go a long way in keeping stress away. Think of it as investing a few minutes now to protect days of fun later. Remember, the more you know, the better your trip will be. So keep these tips handy, and you'll be cruising like a pro in no time. Which mistake shocked you the most? Share it in the comments. I'm all ears. If this guide saves your cruise, hit that like button and subscribe for more insider tips. Until next time, cruise smart, stay safe, and enjoy those smooth seas.